Hello, today is a very special video. I'm using my voice, and to top that off, I will be teaching you a very simple code in Java, the programming language, and the fundamentals of Java. To start Java off, you're going to need Java Development Kit, or short for JDK, which can be found off java.com. A good idea might be downloading an IDE. An IDE such as Eclipse, which I am using, is free from eclipse.org, I believe. What Eclipse does is it has a built-in compiler, which is fairly simple, and it can organize your code, and it's very universal for C, for C++, C#, PHP, XHTML, and Java. So I really recommend getting Eclipse. Now, to start off our code, I want to explain what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a little program saying hello world, as you can see right here. By making hello world, just that line of text, we're going to need to state a string, and we're going to need to import the IO. So let's get started. As I will be typing code, I will also be explaining what it means, so do not worry. The first line of code, it would be import space java dot io dot asterisk. Never forget to put the semicolon at the end of an import, a declaration, and some other print streams, etc. Never put semicolons at the end of an if statement. Okay, now I will explain what we are importing right now, or just what this code means in general. As we can see by the first word, import, we can assume that we're going to import something into our code. We're going to import a folder or a file, a class file from the actual Java Development Kit, and what the asterisk represents is that we're not just selecting one file, we are selecting all the files in the content IO. It is very helpful, and it'll save you lots and lots of code if you use asterisk instead of just putting import java.io scanner, import java.io util, etc. So beyond that, we're going to hit enter twice, and hitting enter twice is not very important, but I like my code to be nice and tidy because it helps you be organized. In the long run, it really will help you. So our next line of code is going to be public class hello world. Now it's very important that you spell what's after public class, for my example hello world, exactly what you named your Java file. In my case, I named mine hello world. Java is a very case-sensitive programming language, so capital H hello, capital W world is not the same as hello world lowercase. We are going to hit now enter, and we are going to add a bracket where the tip is, or the middle point is pointing towards the left. A bracket just signals that we are ending that code and we're moving on to the next section. If you hit enter, it will automatically space it for you, which is very helpful in Eclipse, and not all programs do that, which is why I recommend Eclipse. Now, before we move on, I must inform the viewers of something quickly. A regular line of code stating that you want to declare something or state something like hello world would be system.out.println ln, then it will be the parentheses, then quotation marks, then hello space world, quotation marks, parentheses, semicolon. What we are about to do is we are going to shorten it down to just out dot println hyphen quotation marks, and then we're going to put hello world quotation marks, another parentheses, and a semicolon. So this is what the line of code should look like. Private static print stream out equals system dot out semicolon. Basically what this is stating, like I said before, we're making the out stand for both system dot out. Now if you would hit enter 2 times and type in this code, public static void main string args, basically what this is referring to. I actually do not know what this line of code stands for all the way, but I do know parts of it, and I know it is a string, and the string name is args. This line of code goes into 80% of all Java applications. It's public and it's static, so it means it can't go anywhere, and it's already been declared. So moving on, we're going to delete that bracket and add a bracket pointing to the left again, and now we're going to hit enter, and now we're going to type in out dot println parentheses quotation marks hello world. Then we're going to add the very important semicolon. After that, we're going to add another parentheses facing to the right, and there should be 2 of them, and we are done. So let's hit the play button, and it should ask you for hello world. Hit yes, and it works. So thank you for watching, and I might make more Java tutorials depending on the feedback and like, yeah, the feedback. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.